Hello and welcome. This is lesson 3 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about half consonants. Now, when you search for Hindi alphabets on the internet, what you're going to get is this. Okay? This is a list of alphabets in Hindi. Now, this is a list of full consonants. Okay, or what you see on the screen are full consonants, and we have a formula to get full consonants, which I call as sound. So the formula is half consonant plus vowel equal to sound. Half consonant plus vowel equal to sound, and in Hindi we call it as barah kadi. Barah kadi. Very few web pages talk about half consonants. Alright, but I think it is important for you to know about half consonants. Vowels, anyhow, we have finished it in previous video. Alright, I'm not going to confuse you by telling too much detail about this concept, but do not worry about it right now. This is a list of half consonants. Alright, all those things that we have studied. But what change do you notice? You see a stroke below the letters, right? Now that is called as a hull, H-A-L, hull. Hull. Alright, and all these are half consonants. And the procedure to convert a full consonant, which is this, to a half consonant is by adding a stroke. So if you add a stroke below this, this becomes a half consonant. Alright. If you add a stroke below this, this becomes a half consonant. Alright. Now let us see how to pronounce these half consonants. Okay, starting with k. 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 It is not k, it is not k, it is k. K, like K in chak, chak, k, chak, k. See how it is pronounced only half, right? That is why it is called as a half consonant. We do not pronounce this as k. K is full pronunciation. This is k. We pronounce it only half, chak, k. Or like K in lak, la, k, lak. All right. The second is k, k, k. You add some oomph or some pressure to the previous one, k. Like K in yak, 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 k, yak. Okay, that is how we pronounce this. Next is g, g, like GG in egg, 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 g, egg. Or like G in rug, 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 rug. Okay, you do not pronounce the g fully. It is g, g. All right. Next is g, g, like GH in ugh, ugh, ugh. All right. So it may sound funny to you when you are listening it to first time, but that is how it sounds in Hindi. Next is I can say it is a very difficult consonant for you. It sounds like ng, ng, ng. You have to use your nose and your tongue to pronounce this. All right, and you don't have to worry about this because the usage of this is very, very rare. All right, and the pronunciation is ng, 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 ng. All right. Next is ch, 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 like ch in church, 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 ch. Or like ch in ouch, ouch, ouch. All right. Next is ch, ch, ch. You add a bit of oomph or pressure to the previous one. Ch, ch. There is no example in English. All right. Ch. Next is j, j, j. Like GE in George, 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 or like GE in rage, 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 j, j. All right. Next is j, j. A little bit of pressure to the previous one. J, j. There is no example in English. J. All right. Next is once again one more difficult to pronounce for a newbie. Nye, nye, nye. Once again you have to use your nose. Nye, nye. All right. Ny would be English equivalent of the letter. Nye. And once again the usage of this is very rare in English. Next, it is t, 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 like T in cut, 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 or like T in let, let, let. All right. Next is a heavier version of the previous one. T, 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 t. All right. Next is d, d, like D in dad, 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 or like D in bed, 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 bed. All right. The next is a heavier version of the previous one. D, 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 d. All right. Next, once again, difficult to pronounce one. It is n, n. It is not n. N is different. N, n. Your lips has to curl inside and it has to touch the upper portion of your mouth. N. N. All right. Next, t, 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 like th in mouth, 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 or like th in kit, 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 kit. Next is heavier version of previous one. Th, th, th. Next, d, 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 and it is pronounced like th in with, with, d, with, with. All right. Next is the heavier version of previous letter. Th, th, th. Next is n, n, like n in pen, 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 n, and like n in men, men, n, n. Next, p, p, like p in up, 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 p, or like p in lip, lip, p. Next is heavier version of previous letter. P, p, p. Next, b, b, like b in pub, p, b, p, b, or like b in bulb, bulb, bulb. This is heavier version of previous one and it sounds like bh, bh, bh. This is m, m, and it is pronounced like m in rim, rim, ri, m, m, and like m in slim, 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 slim. All right. Next letter is y, 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 and it is pronounced like y in joy, 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 y, y, and like y in toy, 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 e, toy. Next, r, 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 pronounced like r in error, 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 or like r in stir, stir, stir. L, l, pronounced like double L in well, 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 or like L in or double L in install, install, install. All right. Next letter is V, V, and it is pronounced like VE in stove, 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 and like VE in love, love, love. Next, sh, 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 pronounced like SH in fish, 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 and like SH in radish, 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 sh, sh, fish, sh. Next is the heavier version of previous letter and it sounds like sh, 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 s, 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 and it is pronounced like S in bus, 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 or like S in ads, 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 ads. Next is h, h, and it is pronounced like H in pooh, 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 and like H in oh, 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 h, h. And this is this falls under the category of double consonants or conjunct consonants, but here we include it in letters itself and it sounds like ksh, 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 ksh. All right. Next is tr, 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 and the last one is jn, jn. You need to use your nose to pronounce it. Jn, jn. All right. So those are the half consonants. All right. It is when the half consonant joins with the vowels that we have studied in previous video, we get a sound. All right. Do not worry about it. If you did not understand, do not worry about it. It is difficult to pronounce the half consonants. That is why they do not mention it on the website or in the books. Okay. In the next video, we will start learning about the Barahakadi or sounds of K, and we will study each and every letter in a separate video. All right. So start pronouncing and start writing, and I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.